Hello guys, I'm Arvind and in this lecture I'm going to discuss metrics in Python. So let's get started with the matrix. A matrix is a two-dimensional data structure where numbers are arranged into rows and columns. So here is the example of a matrix. So we can treat this list of a list as a matrix having two rows and three columns. And Python doesn't have a built-in type for matrices. However, we can treat list of lists as a matrix. So let's open up the Sublime text and I will show you how do I create matrix in Python. So guys, we can create matrix in Python by placing lists in list. So I'm going to create a matrix of 3 cross 3. So I'm using three lists within list, and each list has three items in it. So if I run this code, I will get this matrix. Now moving on to next topic, and that is how do I access elements in matrix. So guys, we can access rows or elements within matrix by using indexing. So let's take an example of this. So here if I use a of 1, then this print will print the first row from this matrix A. So if I run this code, I will get 4 5 6, and that is second row of this matrix A. Okay, and now if I want to use like this, so it will give you the last element from the second row. So now if I run this code, I will get 6. This is the last element from the second row. I hope it is clear to everyone, and thank you so much guys for watching this video.